Hey everyone, welcome back to Tony Herbal Remedies, where we explore tips and tricks for living a healthier, happier life. Today, we're diving into a hot topic. Do meal replacement shakes really work for weight loss? Are they a magic bullet or just another diet fad? Stick around to find out. First, let's understand what meal replacement shakes are. These are pre-packaged drinks or powders designed to replace a full meal, offering a balance of protein, carbs, fats, vitamins, and minerals, all in a convenient shake. They're super popular for people looking to lose weight or save time, but what's really inside? Most contain around 200 to 400 calories per serving and are fortified to give you the nutrition you'd normally get from a balanced meal. Weight loss boils down to one key concept: a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you consume. Meal replacement shakes can help you control your calorie intake because they're pre-portioned and designed to be lower in calories than many regular meals. Studies show that meal replacement shakes can be effective for short-term weight loss when combined with a healthy diet and lifestyle. In fact, some people find them easier to stick to than traditional calorie-counting diets. Now let's talk about the benefits. Why do so many people swear by these shakes? Convenience, no meal prep, no mess, it's grab and go. Portion control, no more guessing how many calories are in your plate, nutrient-packed. Some shakes are fortified with vitamins and minerals, making them a great option for busy days. Support for weight loss. When used correctly, they can help you stay on track with your calorie goals. But wait, there are some downsides too. It's not all smooth sailing. Liquid calories don't always fill you up like a real meal would. Relying solely on shakes can get boring and might not teach you how to build balanced meals long-term. Watch out for brands loaded with sugar or artificial ingredients. Always read the labels. They're great for short-term goals, but replacing all your meals isn't sustainable for most people. So what's the best way to use meal replacement shakes if you're trying to lose weight? Use them for breakfast or lunch, but make sure to eat a balanced whole food dinner. Look for ones with at least 15 to 20 grams of protein, minimal added sugars, and natural ingredients. Boost satiety by blending your shake with fruits, spinach, or a tablespoon of nut butter. Shakes are a tool, not a magic fix. Pair them with regular physical activity for the best results. So, do meal replacement shakes really work for weight loss? The answer is yes, but with conditions. They can be effective if used thoughtfully as part of a balanced lifestyle. But remember, they're a tool, not the solution. The key is to focus on creating healthy habits that last. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried meal replacement shakes? What worked or didn't work for you? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more tips on health and wellness. See you next time.